Yo, everybody, what's up? This is this is Hassanis here, and this is my player option. As you know, we won 2 games in the last episode, so today we get to choose our players. So we have a good option, but I'm gonna have to check if they're in the game, because some of these players are not in the game. So we're gonna have to check. We got a lot of options here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scroll down. I don't know what's down. Just scroll down, just scroll until, I don't know, infinity. And I wish there was a randomizer option, but you can't randomize. Yeah. So I'm just gonna scroll until I get the player. So I'm just gonna do this where the page is kind of blank. Stop it. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that was a practice. I don't mind getting any position as long as I get to upgrade my team. That's really all I'm looking for, and get a player I can be able to use. So here we go. We're gonna start in 3, 2. Wait, is this free agents? I don't know whether we can get free agents, but we're gonna try it out. 3, 2, 1, and go. So we're just gonna scroll. I'm closing my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes for 10 seconds. I'm gonna scroll down a bit. Scroll down. I should just scroll up to get the high rated players. To get the high rated players, I should scroll up. So I'm gonna scroll up and scroll down a bit. Okay, I don't know how much is 10 seconds, but okay, I'm gonna open my eyes at 3, 2, 1. Oh my god!
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
We got a goalkeeper. No. He's not in the game. He's not in the game. He's not in the game.
Yes! 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 Yes!
He's not in the game. Let's go. Okay, then I feel like we should not choose free agents, because free agents gonna. There's like 792 with free agents. There's like 490. Oh, wait, what? Wait. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna choose. Okay, we're just gonna scroll, and he's not in the game.
20 minutes later.
And stop. We got Buddha Shea. I don't know where the Buddha Shea is in the game. He should be as a club. So 55 overall Buddha Shea. He is in the game.
Nice.
So this is the player that we are looking for, Mr. Buddha Shea. I am Buddha Shea, or Bao Boo. I don't really know how you pronounce it, but we're gonna get this guy into the clubs. We should get the new guy. So we're gonna continue off. We're gonna play 2 games, and we're already promoted, but it's not really interesting when we're already promoted. But I just want to get a good foundation in. Get Buddha Shea. Wait, this is my different team. Sorry, this is my different team. I didn't plan this, okay, guys. Look, I have a lot. You see that team? I'm gonna show you that team later, not now. I'm gonna use this team, which is needs some work. And Buddha Shea is one of the lowest rated players. We got Ethan Noaneri here, which is higher rated than Buddha Shea, but Buddha Shea is gonna come in clutch. Okay, who do I replace? It's this guy. Team starting off. I hope the audio is very good, because I don't have like a proper controller. Next time, I don't know when, I'm gonna get a proper if you guys know the Razer Kishi, I don't really know how you Kishi is it's a music artist, I think.
Stupid.
Okay, Noel's in.
俺の名はエレン・イエーガー
Editing it when I'm filming. I think I don't have a lot of opportunities to film, because I don't tell my family I'm doing a video.
NANI?
We're gonna destroy this team. We are so gonna destroy this team.
It's facts! It's facts! It's not facts. These facts is not facts. It's not facts. It's facts!
Look at the runs. Look at the runs. Bro, Holland is in this game. Oh my goodness.
Another one.
Oh, Budashay got his first touch of the game. This counter? I don't know. Look at this. Bang. Gondor! Oh my goodness.
Another one.
It's passing. It's passing. Listen.
I said it last time I was on it, he's the best football player in the world. I don't know why he's laughing for. What, Chris, why are you laughing for?
Martin Odegaard. Martin Odegaard. Oh, nice. Orim Irinye.
俺の名はエレン・イエーガー
Jäger. Eren Jäger.
Another one.
Dominant. Look at Noel.
Oh my god!
That was a failed Panenka if I've seen one. Look at this. Holy crap. You might as well just skip forward just to see the goal.
Another one.
Look at that pink boot center back. Jeez. Okay, Budashay got a passing. Jeez, look at that pass. Oh, what a pass. I thought that was... I shouldn't doubt my players. No bad.
Another one.
I'm getting like some ideas, you know, maybe start a Pokemon. Kumru. Okay, I'm gonna only try and score long shots. Long shot! Why do you have to... Oh, that was just... Opportunity.
Another one.
It's so unique. Oh, no. Cody Gakpo. Oh, good. Sorry, good. I messed up your name. Kumru.
What did he say?
I love that. Kumru. That's a...
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Make concept. Oh no. No, save your time. Why save your time? I mean, I'm winning. Oh no. What a save! Yo, bro, this is not... I don't know this guy, man. I was supposed to get the... I didn't realize this, but he saved it with his face. He saved the ball with his face. I mean, we're not even... I don't think that's gonna affect us in any way. No, that is real.
No! No! No!
And that's a goal.
Lovely cushion header. But Gerrard! You beauty!
For your boy. That's a goal for your boy. Look at that.
Another one.
Ooh, that's awesome. And we're gonna go into full time in any second now. Okay, no, give me a shot, Nah, I'm gonna get one more shot off. We got 3 wins. Look at me. What a goal. What a pass. Can we replay that pass, please? What a pass. This is the lowest rated team, and he did that kind of pass and that header. What is going on right now? Oh, he just popped his ankles. Oh my god. What? Bro! That's a shot! What the chicken? Bro, I shot the... Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see this? This is called racism.
Here we go, Seth. That's it. Seth.
It doesn't count. He got in the way on my shot. Oh wow. Budashay. Not with the W. We're still gonna score because he's the French setter, man. He is who can we compare him to? Husim Awar. Look, he's Husim Awar.
Stop the cap.
But I have to interact with my fans. I have a new post. Oh, what a shot! What a shot from Budashay.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
What? So basically nothing happened in like almost most of the second half, but this is all, you know, sped up footage for you guys to enjoy while you enjoy some epic music I'm gonna put in, which is probably gonna be some, I don't know, some copyright free music. So yeah, enjoy. He's cutting. Look at him. He's running up and down the pitch. He's a box to box. He's gonna attack. He's gonna defend. Oh, what a goal.
Another one.
Visit relatives from out of the country or something. What a shot. Ooh, respect.
Is it just me?
It wasn't even supposed to go there, but it worked. Patek Philippe for the green boots. Patek Philippe. Oh, and that is the 2 games done. It felt very short.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Because it's just goal after goal after goal, and yeah, that's the end of the video because I'm filming this at night, so yeah, I need to go to bed, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I still don't have a watermark. I don't know where my watermark is. I made one, but I don't think it appeared. But
To be fair though.
To be fair though, what?
To be fair,
To be fair though, what? Vic?
if there's a watermark, click it, subscribe. So anyone who's watching, this is my new series. This is the 2nd episode now. The Unvincibles. Thank you so much. Peace.
Another one.